All right, welcome back. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install this investment website. So I'm going to show you how to install the script and set the website up. So the script we are using, the name of this script is called Hyiplab. Okay, so right, if you don't have this script and you need it, you can get to me via WhatsApp to get this particular script. Okay, so it is an investment website, is an automatic one, just as you can see. Okay, please take note that the essence of this video is for educational purpose and we do not advise you to go into illicit acts with it, please. So right, we'll head over to uh, cPanel. All right, I just bought a new domain, so which is this particular domain here. All right, so I've added it as an add-on here already. So remember, if you want to add as an add-on, you just go to your domain sections, search for your domain section. Then from here, you can be able to add your domain that you have bought from anywhere at all. You can be able to add it, whether it is an add-on domain or a sub domain. All right. So right now I'm going to my file manager where I will install this particular script. So I'll go to file manager. So it takes us to another tab, just as you can see. So once the file manager opens, you decide where you are installing your script. Okay, so I'm installing it on this particular domain here. Right, if you are installing it on your main domain, remember you do that from the public HTML. So all these other domains you see are add-on domains. So I'm opening this one. All right, so right now I'll click on upload, click on select file. So you locate the script and wherever you have saved it. Okay, so this is it. Open. All right, so we can see now that it is actually uploading. Okay, so it has uploaded. So we click on go back. So we click on extract to extract the script. So you click on close. So once that is done, we're going to go to create database. So we'll search for database wizard. Then you give it a name. Let me just give it this. So in step 2, okay, so I'll give it this as well. So once that is found, we'll click on create user. So you make sure you assign all privilege, click make changes. All right, so once that is done, we'll go straight to phpMadmin to upload the SQL file. Okay, so right in phpMadmin, we're going to look for the database we just created, which is this. So you click on import, you click on choose file. So we're going to look for the database. So upload this, then you click on imports. So wait for it to import. All right, so the import is successful. So we'll go straight to connect the database. So to connect the database for this Hyiplab, you go to core, you go to vendor, you scroll down to PSR, log, then env. So you choose this. Make sure that your hidden file is ticked. So you select and edit this. All right, so we're going to put in the database now in line 12, 13, and 14. All right, so here we also change the URL. So we click on Save Changes. So let us preview the website and see if it loads. Perfect. So we can see that the website is actually loading right now. So perfect. So this is how you install this particular script. Okay. So some more steps again. So look at how we can see the log into the admin interface, right? So that's what we're going to look at right now. So let's go to our PHP my admin. So once you come to your PHP my admin, so from here you can be able to see the database that you've created. So once you click on it, so you go to your admin. So right on our site, this is our site here. So the login link is /admin. So put in the username and the password. So once you come to your table, your admin table, you can see this. So right, okay. So what is our username right now? That is the username. So we could just go ahead to click on this edit. This is our database, sorry, this one here. So you click on admin. So you can see our username is admin. So let's go to edit. So right in this edit now, for the password is encrypt. It's encrypt. So you select encrypt from this option here. Encrypt, where is it? So yeah, sorry. Yeah. So from here you can now put in your password, okay? So rest that is fine. You go ahead and you click on go. Okay, so we're having a problem here. Sometimes most of your hosts will not allow you to use encrypt, okay? So in this case, there's a particular default code which I can send to you. Which I can send to you, which I'm going to apply in this particular place. Okay, so here is the code. So you go to your password field here, just paste the code direct. Delete the one there and paste this code. So if you need this code, you could just get across to me, okay? So what this code means is that the password is automatically 12345678. That is what it means, okay? All right, so now let's log in now to the admin. Let's put in the details right away. Okay, so put in admin, then the password. Remember, when you log in with this default password, you can change your password, okay? All right, so you can see now that we have successfully logged in. So by the time you logged in, you're going to get this notification, this pop-up notification about setting up cron job. So it's important you set it so that your interest profit will be going automatically. So once you copy this, you go to your control panel, then search for cron jobs. Cron jobs. On search for cron jobs, you set the settings to once per minute. You scroll down and put this in the command field. Then you click on add cron jobs. Okay. So once that is added, you've set up the cron job. You click on close. So everything you see here, you can just look through all of them through the settings. From here, you can change the name of the site, put in the about us and all that. You can see this manage section. This is where you manage the sections in the site. Okay, this is this place where you manage it. All right. So now one more thing again is that when you get this particular script, there is a place where are included a notification that is sent to admin whenever someone registers, make a deposit, and request for withdrawal. So in your script, you go to core, you go to app, you go to HTTP, you go to controllers. So in this controller, you click on user controller, then you click, okay, first of all, we can see withdraw. So this withdrawal controller, there is a notification there sent to the email address of the admin whenever somebody requests for withdrawal. So once you scroll down, you're going to see that particular code there. Okay, look at the code in line 141. You can see the code here up to line 145. So what you just do is change the email address to your own, then you change the name as well to your own. That is just it. Okay, so by the time you do that, you save. The other notification is found in this authentication place here, and that is for the register. So register controller, when somebody registers, a notification is sent to the email address of the owner of the site. Okay, so in this case as well, scroll down again, you can see the code in line 170 to 174. So you just do the same thing as well. Then the last part where the code is for deposit, when somebody makes a deposit. So we'll go back to where we have gateway. So on gateway, you're going to see this payment controller. You edit it, then you're going to see the email address that was formerly there. So it's very important you change that, okay, so that the person who you built the website for can be receiving the notifications. So rest that is fine. You may want to now add like your live charts, blah blah blah, and all that. So to do that, you do that from the go back to your file manager, you go to core, you go to resources, you go to views, you go to templates. So the present template we are using is this Bitgold. So it has three templates, but we are using Bitgold. So from here, you can see layout. In layout is where you add your live chat and your WhatsApp chat. You add it in front blade and master blade. Okay, you add it at the last part of the code. So this front blade so that it will show on all the pages of the website, front pages. Then the master blade shows that it will show on the dashboard of the user. Okay, other places, sections you can see them from here, like sessions. You can see about us and all that. So if you find out that there's a video in the about section, you can come here to remove it and all of that. So that is how we actually install this particular investment script. So if you have any questions, please you reach out across to me and we'll be able to sort that out. If you're also in need of the script, make sure you get to me and we'll give you the script. Okay, see you in our next videos. All right, so one more thing again before I go. Um, we can see now that when you I've installed the script, okay, you're going to see some users that came with the script, okay. So you need to delete those users and their transactions and all of that. So you need to go back to, okay, let's preview this site again. Let's say crypto. Okay, so you can see our cron job has taken effect. So you can see these users, 17 users currently, and with all these transactions, you need to delete all of them from the database. Very, very important. Don't make that mistake. So you go to your database. So you look for the details. You know, in most of my videos, I usually say you should do that, right? So it should not be a new thing. So you can see deposits. So this is where you see a list of all the deposits on the sites. So you can just click on show all so that it will show you all of them at once and you delete. So you click on check all, then delete. So once that is fine, you go to the next one. We can see invest, the list of investments that people have done. You click on check all, click delete, click yes. All right, so after invest, do we have any other transactions? Okay, transactions, we can see transactions here. So this one is many, you click on show all. All right, so it's plenty. So you scroll down, then you click on check all, click delete. All right, you click yes. So after that, transactions, we go to users table. You say check all, you click delete, yes. All right, you withdrawals, we can see withdrawals. Same thing apply, click check all, delete, yes. All right, so everything is okay. So let's refresh that. See. All right, so we don't have any of the details again here. So you make sure you do that. Very, very important. Okay. So let me check there's something, because if you don't delete it the way I deleted it, you may have problems with maybe going to like reports, transaction reports. It will be showing you some errors. Okay, so you make sure you delete everything that has to do with the users, because if you delete only users table and you don't delete their transactions, you're going to have problems. Okay, and if you delete transactions without deleting the users, you're also going to have some problems. So you make sure you delete everything. Very, very important. So thank you very much.